Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch to Huawei Health. First, make sure your Huawei Watch has at least 20% battery life. Next, download the official Huawei Health application from your device's App Store. It's crucial to have the most recent version for optimal performance. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone. This essential step prepares your phone for discovering your watch. Now, let's pair your devices. Open the Huawei Health app on your phone and tap the Devices tab at the bottom. Then, select Add Device and choose your exact Huawei watch model from the list. Your watch will display a pairing request. Simply tap to confirm. Simultaneously, accept the pairing prompt on your smartphone. This process usually takes less than 1 minute to complete. If you encounter any connection difficulties, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Huawei Watch and smartphone often resolves many issues. If problems persist, try clearing the Huawei Health app's cache and data through your phone settings. Also, ensure no other active Bluetooth devices are nearby, as they can sometimes interfere with the pairing process. Once connected, your Huawei Watch will automatically sync all its collected data to the Huawei Health app. This allows you to effortlessly track your daily steps, monitor your heart rate, and analyze your sleep patterns over time. You can also customize watch faces and manage notification settings directly from the application, enhancing your overall user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.